Trip Around the World is a very traditional quilt, and as you can see from the quilts behind me, visually it looks as though we've cut lots of squares. However, in today's world with the rotary cutter and the sewing machine, it is a great beginner's quilt because we can sew long strips of fabric together and then cut them apart. The silly game that we do with log cabin too. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that. It's really fast, it's really easy, and as I say, as a beginner's quilt, it works really well because you don't have to worry about your seam allowance being an accurate 1/4 inch. As long as it's consistent, it'll all fit. And you can use as many fabrics as you like, and they can be cut any size. So, how do we start?